Welcome back, guys. Sorry for that. I have my two little dogs fighting, and I put it outside right now. But I know that nothing stranger about this. After we apply heat, like for 2-3 minutes, like I say, you guys need to be careful. Don't overheat it too. Um, we're gonna put it back the fan. We put it back the CD DVD player and the Xbox, and we gonna check it out and after work. Make sure we let it sit for at least a couple hours to cool down the solder. Uh, in my case, I put a ice in a plastic bag. Make sure it's not gonna melt, have some water in the motherboard. Uh, be careful with that. I just put a little bit of plastic bag with ice and checking, just because I wanna make sure it work. The other funny part, I go to a Goodwill and buy the Xbox 360, but just for part, because I have another one and mine is broken. This one over here, and because this one is only $9 in Goodwill, and right here say it's just for part. I say okay, for $9 I can take that apart and fix mine, the other one. And after watching videos, I come home and plug, and I see the red light. I started searching internet and YouTube. I say, okay, how this work? I watch at least 15 videos on YouTube, and none of those videos work. Maybe in those, I don't know. Sorry, for me, don't work those videos. And I say, you know what? I'm gonna do my own video, and I can show you guys how to fix it and work 100% work. The way that we do it work. We take it apart, everything. We take the fan off, like that. And this is my son over here. And those other videos that I saw, people take all these apart. I don't take any of those apart. I leave everything intact. Why? Because that we take these apart and then we apply heat and the motherboard, it's gonna move. No matter what, it's gonna move. In this case, nothing is moving. It's intact right there. You just apply heat in the middle right here. That's it, and let it cool down. After a couple hours, I'm sorry that I not make the video from the beginning how to take it apart and all that, because first I think it's not gonna work. I say I'm gonna try it. Work. It's not. Don't work. But I'm gonna show you guys how this works, and it's working perfect. We're gonna put the fan back. That one is the secret. Apply heat. And I see some another YouTube videos that these people put some heat, and yeah, work perfect. And I have my little tools over here. And I don't have the right tip. And the other video that I saw, those other kids, you know, unplug over here and wait a little bit and plug it back, and no, that don't work. Sorry guys, but that one don't work. I tried everything and this is work. This is why I do this video right now. And I'm gonna make some more videos later. Be careful with you guys with this, don't touch anything. We put it back together pretty much just to test, make sure it works, you know. And let's see what happens. Boom. We have a red light. And like I say, I'm buying from Goodwill. You can guys see over here. These are the people, Goodwill people, right over there. It's just only 4 parts, but so far, look at that. Red light, gone. And now you guys can see over there, it's a green light. I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna turn it off and put it together, put everything back. And after done with this, I'm gonna show you guys how it's working in the TV. I'm gonna hook it up everything, and perfect. I'll see you guys soon.